Here are 9 morning habits that indicate a high level of discipline. 1. Waking up early. Consistently waking up early demonstrates strong self-control and commitment. Early risers often have more time to plan, reflect, and get ahead on their day's responsibilities. 2. Avoiding the snooze button. Not hitting the snooze button is a sign of mental strength and self-discipline. It shows that the person prioritizes starting the day with purpose instead of delaying action. 3. Morning exercise. Exercising in the morning, even if it's just for a short period, shows discipline by prioritizing physical health and fitness. It requires motivation to push through discomfort early in the day. 4. Healthy breakfast. Preparing and eating a healthy breakfast reflects discipline in maintaining a balanced diet. This habit also shows foresight in planning meals that fuel productivity and well-being throughout the day. 5. Planning or reviewing the day. Taking time to plan or review the day's tasks shows organizational discipline. Whether through journaling, a to-do list, or using productivity apps, it sets a clear path to achieve goals. 6. Limiting distractions. Disciplined individuals avoid distractions like social media or excessive screen time right after waking up. Instead, they focus on productive, intentional actions to set a positive tone for the day. 7. Practicing mindfulness or meditation. Engaging in meditation, mindfulness exercises, or breathing techniques in the morning reflects mental discipline. These practices help maintain focus, reduce stress, and set a calm, proactive mindset for the day ahead. 8. Hydrating. First thing drinking water upon waking is a disciplined habit that shows attention to health and hydration. It kickstarts metabolism and supports physical well-being, setting the foundation for a productive day. 9. Consistent routine. Maintaining a consistent morning routine shows high discipline. Whether it's the same wake-up time, exercise, or self-care rituals, consistency builds long-term success and healthy habits. These habits, when followed consistently, reflect a strong level of self-discipline and a commitment to personal growth and productivity.